Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for all things shopping and smart. Today, we're soaring into the world of drones. On the left, we have the RADCLO mini drone, and on the right, the TizzyToy brushless motor drone. Who will win this aerial dogfight? Let's find out. First up, the RADCLO mini drone. This little guy is packing a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. According to reviewers, it's perfect for capturing basic aerial shots and is quite affordable. However, some users noted that the camera quality is not top of the line, but it suffices for casual use. On the right, we've got the TizzyToy brushless motor drone. This bad boy comes with a 4K camera and a 120 degrees adjustable lens. Reviewers rave about its stunning camera quality, which is ideal for capturing detailed and high-resolution images and videos. So if you're into high-quality aerial photography, TizzyToy is your go-to. RADCLO mini drone boasts an altitude hold function, which helps it stay put at a certain height. Reviewers appreciate this feature, especially beginners who find it useful for learning to fly. However, it's lightweight and can be difficult to control in windy conditions. On the other hand, TizzyToy has brushless motors and optical flow positioning, making it stable and wind-resistant. Reviewers highlight its steady hovering and easy controls, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. If stability and control are your priorities, TizzyToy's got your back. RADCLO comes with two 800 mAh batteries, giving you a total flight time of 22 minutes. Reviewers find this sufficient for short, fun flights, but wish for longer battery life. TizzyToy, however, packs two 1,600 mAh batteries, offering a whopping 40 minutes of flight time. Reviewers love the extended flight time, which allows for more prolonged and enjoyable flying sessions. If you're planning on making a feature-length film about your backyard, TizzyToy is your Spielberg. RADCLO has a bunch of cool tricks up its sleeve: high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3D flip, and even gesture control. Reviewers find it fun and engaging, especially for family activities. However, some users have faced issues with durability. Not to be outdone, TizzyToy matches these tricks and raises the stakes with 360-degree obstacle avoidance. Reviewers are impressed with this feature, which makes it easier to avoid crashes and fly safely. So if you're prone to crashing into trees, walls, or your own ego, TizzyToy's got you covered. Overall, reviewers find the RADCLO mini drone to be a budget-friendly option that's fun for beginners and family activities. However, it has some limitations in camera quality, wind resistance, and battery life. On the flip side, the TizzyToy brushless motor drone is praised for its high-resolution camera, stability, extended flight time, and advanced features. It's a more premium option suitable for serious drone enthusiasts. So there you have it, smart shoppers. RADCLO mini drone is your go-to for a budget-friendly, fun flying experience. Meanwhile, TizzyToy brushless motor drone is the premium choice for those who want top-notch camera quality and longer flight times. Which drone will you choose to be your new best flying buddy? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. See ya!